Ever feels like your trading is all over the place? A solid routine changed everything for me. And in this video, I will show you how I built a trading routine that leads to constant success. I am OLUWA-POUNDS, and today I will take you through my daily trading routine step by step so you can create one that works for you. Trading isn't just about making profits, it's about consistency. A routine helps you to stay disciplined and avoid impulsive decisions and manage your time effectively. This alone has helped me a lot. It has helped me in avoiding common mistakes like overtrading or missing opportunities. I will show you guys my trading routine breakdown. Pre-market preparations. So firstly, inside this pre-market preparation, we have two stage. First of all, we have checking the economic calendar for news events. We need to be checking the economic calendars for news events to avoid spikes in the market. And secondly, we have setting up charts and identifying potential setup. So first of all, we're checking our calendar. As you can see, on Thursday, 2nd January, we're expecting unemployment claims from USD, exactly 230. What are we expecting? Actual lesser than forecast is good for the currency. And on Friday, we'll be expecting PMI, manufacturing PMI from USD. And what are we expecting? Actual greater than forecast is good for the currency. So these 2 days will be our trading days. We'll trade in these 2 days. And the second step is for us to set our chart. Just set our chart and identify potential setup where this news event might take the market to before or after the news. Now, in setting up charts and identifying potential setups, you can see we have USD-JPY in the market, and in USD-JPY, we are expecting price to take us to this junction here, to take us there. We're also expecting it to take us here, expecting price to take us here. You can see a favorable gap there, expecting price to take us there, before Thursday for our news event. Before Thursday, expecting price to take us there. And you can also mark the ISI, or mark out the ISI in case price reversed and break it out. Mark out the ISI. These are our setups. These are our potential setup where I think before that Thursday price might approach or be at this particular level year before we take any decisions in the market. So guys, in our second stage, we have market analysis. Now, today is Monday, and you can see the time is already from here. The time is 2:07. New York time. So first stage, we'll be analyzing the key levels on this particular pair. After you guys can see, I've already identified the key level. Let's mark something out here. Let's mark this thing out. Let's mark this place out. It'll be part of our potential expectation from the market. Let's mark it out. Sort of what we're expecting, where we're expecting price to take us. Now, second stage is assessing the current market sentiment using fundamentals. So let's go into our Forex factory. And in our Forex factory, as you can see, the previous is 219k, while the forecast is 220. And the user effect, they say actual letter God, they said actual lesser than forecast is good for currency. So we'll be expecting anything lesser than 219. We'll be expecting anything lesser than 219. And for you to predict this particular market, you can see the forecast is higher than the previous with only 1,000, with only 1k. So it's a very big this thing before you can be able to predict this type of sentiment. So I think we'll be expecting a push to the downside from USD JPY. We're expecting a push to the downside. That is, if price should break this low before Thursday. If price should break this low if price should go like this and take us down to this place, move up again and break this low and retest it, then we'll be shorting USD JPY before the news, and we'll be using the potentials and the movement of the news to short USD JPY down to this side, down to here, before we buy it and move up to the upside. This is my expectation from USD JPY. So guys, the next step we'll be talking about is executing trades, your active trading hours, and so on. Now, fundamentals, one thing about fundamentals is that they'll give you the time, 2:30 Nigeria time, 2:30 p.m. Nigeria time. You'll be expecting NFP. You will be in the market 30 minutes before the time for you to be able to analyze and be ready to trade. So, your strategy, your strategy, learn how to trade fundamentals, learn the best. Go to my YouTube channel. I have a full course on that. You learn how to interpret the Forex factory so that you can be able to trade fundamentals and monitor your trade. Don't over trade. After 5 minutes or 15 minutes after the release of the news, you can take the profit you see and close the rest. As easy as that. No stress. Now, tools I use to stay organized. First of all, trading platform. I use trading platform like MetaTrader. I use TradingView. This is the template of TradingView. As you can see, I'm using TradingView to look at it. Look at the logo here, TradingView. So, and again, I use my Forex broker FBS. I use FBS as a broker, and I use Forex calculator. I use Forex calculator to calculate my risks and so forth. Now, number 2, we have economic calendar, which is our Forex factory. You can see it here, our Forex factory. I use Forex factory to analyze the market, to analyze some things in the market before placing my trade. And number 3, we have journaling apps, and in the journaling apps, I use Notion, or I have a big book magenta, in which I write down my strategy, everything I need. Ever since I started trading, I've been jotting down my trades. Everything is in that book. So anytime I trade, after the trade, it's either I use Notion to calculate the percentage of the win rate, or I use my sheet to jot down the movement or the profit or the loss in the market to know my performance. So, tips for building your own trading routine. So, number 1 is stick to your specific trading hours here. Know when to analyze the trade, know when to enter the trade, and know when to exit the trade. As easy as that. The second one, we have avoid overloading your schedule with unnecessary tasks. You know you're going to be trading by 2:30. 2:30 in the afternoon, be releasing NFP. Then you'll be overloading yourself with so many tasks. So before 2:30, either you'll be tired, or you slept off, or you even forgot that the news is coming up because of too much of things you are doing for that day. Understand? So anytime you be trading 2 to 3 hours before the time, make sure that you are less busy. You have nothing to worry about, so that things will be taken control by nature. So thirdly, we have prioritize risk management and emotional control. Control your emotions while trading. As I say, don't overtrade. Risk management is always the key. Learn how to manage risks, and you see the results. What's good, guys? A successful trading routine is about consistency and preparation. It's not just about what you do during trading hours, but also how you prepare before and reflect afterwards. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more trading insights. Comment below with one habit you think could improve your routine. See you guys next Sunday. Peace out.